Hey y'all, it's Dave with Master German Odor Removal. My nieces are gone, but the pig is still saying hi. It's so weird. Pig is a pet. Hey, anybody down with pig and pet? Anyways, hi. He was saying hi to me. I guess they're clever little animals. Here is my Turo round car, and it is awesome. I mean, talk about a fun car to drive. However, it smelled like marijuana. And 40 minutes ago, I was only supposed to let it go for 20 minutes, but I got distracted inside the house. Again, here is the cabin air filter. Take that out. If you're a Turo, hey, if you're a Turo host, just order half a dozen cabin filters and expect to, change them every month or anytime an odor happens. So if somebody smokes in your car, get rid of that cabin air filter and put a new one in. It's just a nice way to be a great host. It's going to cost you, $10 a month to do that. So order them online. They're cheap. Get a 10-pack, get a 5-pack, get a 100-pack, doesn't matter. Incidentally, if you rent a bunch of the same car, so a friend of mine has 14 Toyota Corollas. And so, just buy them in bulk, buy a truckload of filters. So anyways, if you are a fan of the black ice, what does it smell like? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it smells good. Anyways, so here's the deal. You need to wear a respirator when you get in. It is non-toxic, but is an eye and lung irritant. Or you can close your eyes and hold your breath. Now remember, we set the AC to on and recirculate. You don't want to bring in new air. I have my seatbelt sticking out, which is kind of in the way. But you know what? I'll do the other side. This car doesn't have to have the brake on. So here we go. You ready? Hold your breath. And we're just making a gas vapor. I mean, it's not scary. It's just you're not supposed to breathe it, right? So here we go. Holding your breath. We're going to turn on the car. Make sure the air conditioning's on. Recirculate. We don't want to lose the gas vapor that we've been generating. Okay. There we go. You can see we're about done generating gas because it's not yellow anymore, and it's on recirculate and AC on. It took too long. Okay, now you're just gonna let it run 20 minutes. That's it. You're doing the whole air conditioning duct work, and your car will be great. So you can either go on with life, or we've lost the pig. You can come on a tour with me of the garden. So if this is your thing, then there we go. We've got some Spanish lavender growing, and we got cucumbers, you can see. We got some loofah trying over here, some peppers. These, those are delicious. Sweet million. I guess it's not really an odor removal channel, right? But, well, it is. But why not just talk about the garden, because gardens are great. So anyways, turns out I'm the biggest fan of all the tomatoes here. And so let's try it. Well, hi. We got a big. Here you go, bud. All right. Yeah, so here we go. You can either hang out with us on the farm, or I don't even see the goats. Really, that's all you do. So you just kind of babysit the car that's running. Where are the goats? We got the ducks. Another set of ducks. There they are. They're way over there. Oh, they're in their pen. I think we're letting this regrow. So that's it. All I'm trying to illustrate is that it's not hard. We have great chemistry. Our lab produces awesome odor removal tablets for us. We got the system down. We've been doing it for a long time. I like to go faster because this is my business. So I use the accelerator pump. And with every order, I include an accelerator pump. And it'll last for 10 or 20 cars. Yeah. So use our double XL if you have like a Suburban. If you have an RV, in theory, a double XL will do 100 square feet. But if I was doing odors in an RV, I would use two. One in the front and one in the back, where I do use two. And then if you have a car that somebody smoked in for a long time, use a double XL. Shoot, use a double XL on anything you want. It just keeps working, and it just works longer. So instead of 20 minutes and then starting it up for 20 minutes, you let it go an hour and then start it up and let it run a half hour. So it's just you're generating more gas vapor. And remember, this is a non-toxic antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, kills spores, which is good in this case, right? And it's hypoallergenic. So if somebody brings their cat, the pig is here. The pig just nuzzled my leg, and I think he's gonna go swimming. I guess pigs do that. I'm clearly not from here, right? What are you doing, pig? Oh, that's a pretty good pig place. Huh. That's awesome. He's digging with a little waggy tail. Hey, I don't want to see your booty anymore. Can you smile? Oh, that was rude. All right, I don't think we're allowed to show booties on this channel too much. Huh. So, basically, you can work really hard and get really sweaty cleaning every surface of your vehicle, and you should. You should wipe it down. But you can either really bust yourself just like crazy to get rid of these odors and still come up short, or just give me a call. We'll send you out a DIY kit. And you can, it takes so little work that I just turned on the car and now I'm following a pig around, or he's following me around, depends on how you look at it, for 20 minutes. So the regular size kit, let it go for 20 minutes, then turn the car on, let it go for 20 minutes. Then you're done, air it out. And you can air it out for 5 minutes, you can air it out for 20 minutes, you can air it out for 4 days, doesn't matter. The XXL kit, let it go for an hour, then air it out for an hour. That's if you're using the accelerator pump. If you don't want to use the pump at all you want to do is put that little thing of water in there and then just let it go overnight. We have the car turned around. Well, the sun's peeking out now. I turned around the car because I didn't want the UV light to go directly in. So we're getting light in there, but just not much UV light. It breaks down the reaction. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Odor removal is so hard that you can go eat tomatoes and hang out with a pig.